So Cowell Center is a health and counseling services located right opposite to the tennis center. If you need any help with the health or any psychological services, please do visit Cowell Center. Degree Tennis Center has 6 synthetic, well-maintained tennis courts. Center. And just a tip, everyone who's coming for Fall 21 have to be vaccinated, fully vaccinated. Near to Cowell Center, you would find EV stations. We are now walking towards Residence Hall. There are in total 10 residence halls, and all the first years and most of the sophomores live in residential halls. Pat Malley Fitness and Recreation Center is open for all the campus students. Unfortunately, due to COVID restrictions, it was not open. This is a small open gym facility near fitness center. SEU took part in solar decathlon competition, and in 2007 and 2009 they have won the third place. This is a very interesting competition wherein you have to use energy efficiency and attractive solar powered home. This is a parking lot gym. Due to COVID restrictions set by the county, all the fitness equipments have been moved to parking lot. Beach volleyball courts are situated near the parking lot gym, and these are open to current students, faculty, and staff. This is Stanton Soccer Field, situated next to the main parking structure. This is usually used for practice. Stevens Stadium is a soccer stadium situated right after the Stanton Stadium. This is a very famous soccer stadium which has a capacity to seat 7,000 people. This is Santa Clara Law Building, which is also known as Vari Hall. You can see this right after you enter the Santa Clara University, which is on the right side. Lucas Hall is considered as the home of Levy School of Business. Surprisingly, we had access to Lucas Hall since our classes were going on in the Lucas Hall. Let me show you what we have inside. Vari Hall is the home of College of Arts and Science. It is one of the beautiful architecture you could. Mission Santa Clara, the Asis, is one of the historical monument in the Santa Clara University. It's a mission church which was first established in 1777, Roman Catholic church, and you could see many of the students clicking pictures when they have graduated. So this is one of the most prominent place in Santa Clara University. Right next to the Mission Church, you'll find Mission Gardens. The Mission Garden is a beautiful, popular, peaceful site for public and private gatherings. You would see students sitting here and studying. If you want to eat something or get a coffee, Benson Center is the one which you have to look for. Benson Center not only has dining services, it also has individual study spaces. You have to book the study spaces prior to going in. As soon as you come out of Benson Center from the other door, you would see Learning Commons, which is the library. And you have a small space wherein people can come and sit, study, or chit chat. Last but not the least, we have Sullivan Aquatic Center, which has a length of 25 yards and a depth ranging from 3.5 feet to 7.5 feet. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.